Welcome to Layn HyreCar University. I'm going to share a huge gem. Actually, there's going to be a few gems. You're going to learn so much, and I'm going to keep it short and concise and sweet, people. Let's do this quick. Let's do this nice. Anyways, if you're looking for commercial insurance, because first and foremost, commercial insurance is offered by HyreCar. It's called Period X. But Period X has some, like, for example, doesn't cover roadside service, which is fine. And Period X could be a great addition to purchasing actual commercial insurance to protect your vehicle while it's parked and not being rented on a HyreCar, or while it also is being rented on a HyreCar. You want to get this insured by probably a commercial policy. You can definitely use your personal policy, but there's been a lot of issues where your personal policy might cause an issue. So for those that are looking to actually get a commercial policy, and also a commercial policy that maybe offers some type of roadside service, consider this. Have you ever thought about this? Instead of actually going online, you can definitely do that too. Listen to Conrad and Layn. Go to your local rental car company. Go to Enterprise, Avis, Budget Rental, Alamo Rental, different rental car companies in your area that are traditional. Go there and ask them, say, hey, look, what commercial insurance companies do you guys use to insure the cars? Bam. That's it. That's the answer. That's how you do it. If you actually just go simply to the source, they're rental car companies as well, right? So they understand commercial insurance. So you go to them, speak to the reps, call them. I prefer going in person, but call the reps, speak to them in person, and say, hey, what commercial insurance plans do you guys use to cover your cars? Now, once they tell you, now you have the insurance company's information. Now you can call them and get quotes for yourself. This is very hard to find commercial policies. It's very hard to find commercial insurance policies that cover rental car coverage. There's business policies, but it's hard to find rental car policies specifically. Very hard to find that, especially ones that offer roadside service or benefits that help a fleet owner or someone that rents their cars out for income. Very hard to find this. Oftentimes, most HyreCar renters have a personal policy that covers the car while it's not being driven. And oftentimes, this might hurt you later on. So to get a commercial policy, especially one with roadside service that covers you for commercial exposures, because say you have a personal insurance plan, and even if you have roadside service, it may not allow you to use roadside service for commercial usage, unfortunately, since you're renting your car and making an income from it. So to cover this and cover other liabilities that might occur, you can actually figure out and contact your local rental car companies, and they can give you the companies they use. You call those companies, get a quote. There you go, you're in business. Now, if they don't know, say it's just a rep who just kind of just doesn't know, is pretty clueless, or say they just don't want to tell you for whatever reason, do this. Rent it for one day, only one day, maybe 2 days, whatever the case is. Drive the car around and add on rental car coverage. Most Enterprise, Avis, Budget Rental, most rental car companies in general have insurance that they offer to you for an additional fee, typically speaking. Add that on. Now you have the information. So even if they don't know, or they act like they don't know, or they pretend, or they just don't want to tell you for whatever reason, then hey, rent the car for a day, run a few errands, pick up some groceries, pick up your kids, pick up your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, go on a date, or park the car. But the main purpose is, who cares about the car? It's about figuring out what insurance you can use to protect your business. Why get confused and go online and all this? Go to the source, go to your local rental car company. They have insurance, and they typically offer insurance coverage for their renters. Sign yourself up for that 1 day coverage or 2 day coverage, and then get the name of it. Bam, you're in business. Now you know, now you have the answers, you learned it. That's a secret right there. Anyways, that's how you do it. I love you guys so much. Follow the channel on Instagram at Conrad Layn. Like, subscribe, share. I love you guys, and that's how you get commercial insurance for a HyreCar business. This is the secret, people. I just taught you guys a huge secret. Now start making those calls, go online, find a few rental car companies, go in person, and get that information, people. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Carly now. Peace.